I hate those ones.
Sure do. Especially if there's a deer in front of you.
He wouldn't be in front of you for long.
That wasn't bad.
Red dot means it's recording. It's recording.
Okay.
Yeah. I got my fancy wind baffle on the front of it.
Nice. It's that half cock.
Oh yeah. Been a while. Come on. First day at the range since April 2013. And as usual, it is blowing. I brought out this Norinco NP-17. Just getting taken down the rear sight because the fellow wants to buy it, so I'm going to part company with it. I might have 100 rounds through it. So I figure I'll get the elevation set up for him anyway. And we see they put up some new signs, I guess around Christmas. And apparently, from what I'm told, this sign lasted one day. And some idiots came out and shot the hell out of it. I'm trying on my new camera here. It's still shooting about 4 inches high with that pistol, so I guess I should put this on the stand. So I got to trim her down some more. It's getting cold and windy. We had some folks out here shooting, having a good time. There's one fellow, he had a whole family out here, his daughters and everything. They're all blasting away. They had a great time. I didn't video them because I wasn't sure they'd be comfortable with that. Yeah, pick up my brass. Aluminum in this case. So, yeah, this is almost a year because of the airplane, working on the airplane. So one of the fellows on my channel, he said, hey, he's still alive or what, basically. So, I'm just going to do a few squirts of this Norinco here. Hopefully there won't be too much wind noise. It's actually pretty good weather this time of the year. Alright, let's get some blasting happening here. So, just bottom left corner of the target. I'm trying to figure out where I need to bring that rear sight down to. Wow. Some dummy forgot to put his ear plug in. So my right ear is ringing pretty good right now. There we go. That'll fix that up. Just didn't go in there. Frozen fingers are not helping the matter at all. Brought my GSG out. It's getting dark and cold, so I don't think, and in this wind, I don't think I'd do much good with it. So. Worse than wind. That's better. Got an idea now how much more I'm going to trim off this rear sight. Go take a look. So there we are. Not too bad. A little to the right, but I got a hell of a wind going here. There's 4 I put in here before I got all rambunctious and sent the rest into the dirt. So, a little high there. I saw these 3 go in through my watering eyes. And, you know, looking at about a 1/16 of an inch more off top of that rear sight. Those Norincos are, there's nothing to adjust. They can do the windage. They're, come on you bud, they're screaming high on that rear sight. There we go. Yeah, I had a few rounds left, so I figured I'd just finish them off. Shoot at, well, some clay sitting there. So. One left. There we go. Having second thoughts about selling it now. I told the guy to let him take her. But, yeah, it's just a little NP-17. It's basically a Chinese-made TT-33 adapted for a 9mm, and they put a little more ergonomic grip on it. The frame and everything's the same. In fact, you could change out the barrel and spring and use the magazines and fire the 7.62x25s. But it's kind of neat. It's chromed. Gives it that two-tone look. It's like a frosted chrome finish on the frame. It doesn't shoot bad. Like I say, the biggest thing was that rear sight, and it was shooting literally at 50 meters, shooting over the target board. So I got it trimmed down. I'm going to take about another 1/16 off it, and it should be good for him to pick it up. And of course, I'm taking the notch down a bit. I got a nice little file that fits in there perfectly. So make sure that's nice and square and everything before I let him take it. It's got a really small dovetail too. It's just, don't know if there's probably aftermarket stuff you can get for it. I'm not sure. But anyway, since I bought the SR9, this one's going to go to a new home. It's getting dark, getting cold. It's time to scoot.